Hello everyone, today we are in another video and we are in Cabo Bello community, which is an oceanfront, and this community has a beauty that not many community has. You have your own beach right here. You can enjoy the beach, you can enjoy the sun, the waves, and snorkeling as well.
Yes, we will show you Casa, which is a house that was recently just remodeled with a beautiful kitchen. It has a casita, beautiful backyard, pool, and great view to the ocean and Land's End. Come and see it with us.
So this is an incredible 3-bedroom plus casita home. That is beautiful because if you have guests, they can stay in the casita. No one's going to bother you. You have this huge swimming pool, this a beautiful area for barbecue outside. I think it's lovely. What do you think?
It's lovely, and you can't find this yard now in Cabo, so it's nice to have the grass area, as Gabby mentioned, the casita for added privacy for all your guests. So this will be definitely a house for entertainment. This house is listed for $1,200,000, and for more information, make sure to contact us.
See you in the next one.
Bye-bye. Thank you so much for watching our video. We hope you really enjoyed it.
If you're looking to buy or sell in La Baja, please make sure to contact us. We'll be very happy to assist you.
Here's our contact information down below, and make sure to watch all our other videos.